want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you.
Hey, I'm Balancing Key, and let's get into this look. As you can see, my eyebrows are already done, so pretty much the next step for me to do is to simply add my concealer to my eyelids. Yeah, you'll see me just pretty much doing that. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Satin Finish in the light ivory color. Next, you're going to see me use a Q-tips to just clean things up. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina collection in the color D2. That's that pretty orange color to start off. Just going to see me just shading it in pretty much. Next, you're going to see from the same palette, me using the D3 color, which is a pretty pink. Sorry guys, those are my kids in the background. I'm a mom of 2. So hey, you know how that goes. At this point, I'm pretty much just shading in some more. Started with the right eye, now on to the left. I was laughing at my brother because he wanted to go into the bathroom. Yeah, just more shading and shading and shading. Back to the same palette. Now I'm using the C5, which is like a pretty burgundy color. You'll see me just filling it in the corners, well, the end corners. With the same palette again, you're gonna see me use D4, which is a pretty yellow color. Next, you'll see me adding my eyelash and eyeliner. Bear with me, still learning process. Makeup wipes for the excess eyeshadow. Next, I'm using the Farsali Unicorn Essence Prime Base drops for my face. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. Color Correcting Stick in light skin tones. For the dark circles under the eyes. Next, I'm using the Professional Kiss New York Pro Touch Liquid Foundation in the color 332 Classic Tan. You'll see me pretty much applying and just buffing, more buffing. Next, you'll pretty much see me using the black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the shade light to medium. Right now, I'm using the contour section. Next, I'm going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup HD Finishing Powder in the banana shade Finish. Going back to the cream contour palette, I'm going to illuminate above the brows. Then you'll see me do my cheekbones. Almost forgot to add that I also illuminate my nose. Next, you're going to pretty much see me just buffing all of that out. You know what they say about lip gloss. It's popping. This is just some regular beauty supply lip gloss. Next, I'm going back into the Norvina palette to the pretty yellow color for the corners. I'm gonna start using my favorite mascaras from Maybelline. Yeah, so this is pretty much how I like to apply my mascara. I use the Maybelline New York Superstay MatteInk color Inspira. Then NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And pretty much fluff the wig and smile. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe.